Psst, come here. I'm going to teach you some Windows keyboard shortcuts that are going to change your life. What's up, little fishies? Welcome back to school. This is Real Time Tech, a show where I teach you some tips and tricks to help you confidently and safely navigate today's digital waters. My name is Megan, and I will be your skipper throughout this journey. Let's dive on in. Today, I'm going to teach you guys something so simple, yet so revolutionary, it might just change your life. That's right, folks, you guessed it. Today, we're talking about my favorite Microsoft Windows keyboard shortcuts. The first shortcut we're going to dive into is your Clipboard bin. To open and activate your Clipboard bin, go ahead and click the Windows and then the V key on your keyboard. Once this bin is activated, you'll be able to see the most recent items that you've copied, and you'll also be able to pin items. This means that you can paste items that you may have copied hours ago, or if you find yourself consistently sending the same emails or writing the same messages to team members, you can pin those messages and then paste them whenever you need them. One more thing here, if you look closely, you can see options for an emoji and a GIF window here. So if you're like me and you like to send little smiley faces or a fun little GIF to go along with whatever your message is, this is a really quick way to get to those options. Next up, screenshots. Hold your Windows and Shift key at the same time and then click S on your keyboard. This will open up your Snipping Tool, which you can then use to grab a quick clip of your screen or change the settings to grab the whole screen at once. This image will then be copied to your clipboard, which you can open by clicking Windows V. And you can go ahead and highlight or mark it up however you need, and those marks will be remembered when you go to paste the image. Well, that's all the time we have today, folks. Thanks for tuning in. I hope my favorite Microsoft shortcuts are now your favorites. And go ahead and tag a friend or coworker down below who could stand to have their minds blown. We'll catch you next time. Oh